Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the lecture series of machine learning. In this lecture series, we are going to focus on fundamentals of machine learning. We will also learn terminology which we use in machine learning and we'll learn new concepts. In this particular video, I am going to focus on two terms, machine and learning only. So, let's start with the session. So this is the image where students are learning from the teacher. This is actually learning process of our human beings, right? From the day one of your school to college time. Every day you go to classroom and you learn something new. And what then you do? Then you come to home and you study by your own, right? So let's understand this with one example. So what happens exactly when you go to school? The very first day of your school, you were not knowing how to read English. Then your teacher taught you alphabets, grammars, pronunciation, sentence statement formation, and etc, right? And then eventually you start learning. But now when you read, you don't need that teacher again, right? For the reading purpose only. So what happened actually? Your teacher trained you for reading thing, and now you can read by your own, right? So your instructions, whatever your learning was there, now you can apply by your own. Similarly, machines can also learn. Similarly, there is one teacher, we call them trainers. So there is a trainer who train the machine, the model. And once we train the model, then it can learn by itself. And hence, we call it machine learning. So if you observe these four images, in this image, students are learning from the teacher and then they can learn by their own, correct? The second image say this image says that machine learns from the trainer and then machines can also learn by themselves. So this is a very fundamental basic idea for this term machine and learning, correct? So before we start the actual course, I would like to share the definition of machine learning. So, see, machine learning is a branch of AI that enables computers to learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for every task. I know at this stage it is difficult for you to understand all this terminology like patterns, data, predictions, and what is the meaning of explicitly programming. So that's okay. Just relax. For this, you just focus on the first line. Machine learning is a branch of AI. That's it. So, under the umbrella of artificial intelligence, there are various subdomains like machine learning, NLP, deep learning, and etc. So, in this course, we are going to learn about the machine learning concepts, and eventually you will also understand the meaning of these patterns, data, predictions, and at the end of the course, I'm sure that you will understand this technical definition clearly. Okay, so that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you. Thank you.